Hey guys, CR Classics here. We now have 3 days until the show. What we've been doing today is fixing the wheel problem that we had. Now that turned out to be quite a simple thing. So this little collar on the old wheels went into the back like so. So it went in there. On the new wheels there are a slightly different design on the back. So the collar has to go in the front like so. We didn't try this, and all the other wheels they're supporting the wheel from behind and the little collars behind, so we thought on the new one it would be the same, but obviously the different design means it has to go on the front. We didn't know this, so we tried it on the front and it works perfectly now, and the wheel's fine, so the car is rolling and ready to go. Other little things, we've done a few little things on the dashboard, but the rest of it are tiny little things, so the car's looking good for the show. All depends on the weather. CR Classics out.